Hi, welcome to TakeoffBOT. I'm going to start teaching you how to make use of the program. This is the login screen. You can log in with either a Microsoft account or a Google account, or you can create a new account with any email address that you like. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. You'll have to set up a password and you can set up two-factor authentication, but I'll show you how to get a new project started. You're just going to hit this Create New Project button, and it's going to let you rename that project whatever the heck you want it to be. New project 11. And then right away you can go about uploading drawings to that project. Well, we'll just take a random file and boom, it's busy uploading. It's going to take it about 15 minutes to upload your first file. While it's doing that, I'm going to show you you'll have a folder here called sample files. So go into sample files and you'll see one file there and it's called sample sixplex. So let's take a look at that and you can start to learn how to navigate while you're waiting for your first file to upload. So here's roughly what you're going to see when you open your first file. You'll see in the center area here, you see your drawing, and just like any PDF reader, you can advance through the pages of your drawing. Over here on the left, you're going to see TakeoffBOT has already gone through and tagged and labeled all of those pages. It found the page name and number, and it's already tagged them. What's also done in this tree is it's broken down each of the pages into all of the drawings that are contained within each page, and it's labeled all of those to make it easier for you to navigate around the drawing. You'll see you can put favorites on the pages that are most important to you if you want to only see the favorites, or you can also collapse and expand all of the tabs in the navigation tree. Another feature I'll get to later is rooms, but for now we'll just keep it simple. You'll also see down at the bottom here all of the products that TakeoffBOT has found in your drawing are all listed down here. And this is a great area because you can sort by product name, you can sort by elevation name, by page number, by price. So it just gives you a lot of flexibility of how to find the products you've got. This pane over on the right has a number of functions. It'll show you price summary, either on this page or on all the pages. It also, as you go through your drawing, it's your properties tab. Whoops. And so it's going to show you the properties of any product that you have selected. And it's going to show you everything about that. Or if you have just an elevation selected, you'll see that each drawing has a border around it. I can see the properties of that elevation, and I can see the properties of the products within that elevation. This tab also has a search feature. So if I want any word you want to look for, it'll come right up and you can hop straight to the instances of that word. And the other great feature it has here is what we call our guardrails feature. And any information that was missing from the drawing when it first uploaded, it's going to point it out to you. Like, for example, if it wasn't able to find an elevation number, or if it wasn't able to find the scale on a page, or just so the missing information will show up here, and it'll makes it super quick for you to fill that information in. So just for example, it found this call out up here, and you'll see that it made it yellow because it couldn't find the information, and you can tell why, because it was kind of a bit of a bungled. So I can go into that elevation and correct the information. It's missing the drawing number. That's drawing number 1. Oh, and you'll see as soon as I correct it, it shows as blue now. So what's great about the navigation in TakeoffBOT is that you can go page by page, but you can also use this powerful feature where you just go straight to the floor plan. See here it says floor plan, then you can just go next floor plan, and it'll take you straight to the floor plan. Similarly, you can tell it to go to the next elevation, and it will go zoom you instantly to the next elevation. So if we return to floor plan, and here's where some of the magic starts coming in. As I'm going through my drawing, if I want to find this particular drawing, I double click on that call out. It will automatically bring out the matching drawing that goes with that to minimize the amount of flipping around that you have to do. And even better now, as I proceed through the drawings and I say next elevation, well, it's going to keep the floor plan and the elevations synced so that I can go next elevation. See, so there's elevation 6 in my drawing that's showing up here. And again, I can keep going through the drawing, next elevation, and see the floor plan syncing the whole time. So we're saving you a ton of time right there. So quickly, that is how you get around in TakeoffBOT. You'll notice we've got this second window. I can close that window at any time, go back to a single window view, but again, double click an elevation and boom, right away, have it go split screen again. Similarly, you'll see when I hit a floor plan, it also brings up a link here that I can use to jump. If I'm in a given elevation, I can click here to instantly bring me to that linked floor plan. So that's our first lesson in TakeoffBOT. I encourage you now to go back to the home screen. You'll see the project that you uploaded and open up your own file and try navigating around now and see how it's going. You'll see right now it's still at page 18 of 20, so that'll be ready in a minute. And as soon as it is, it'll indicate with a little green symbol that it's ready to open, and you can pop it open and check out your own data and see how it did.